Only Power BI will not get you a job. Surprised! It's not just about Power BI. Let's get real. Have you seen any job descriptions asking for Power BI? Nope, didn't think so. Because here's the truth. There's no job in the market just for Power BI. Even if they want you as a Power BI analyst, they'll call it a data analyst role. And guess what? They expect you to know Excel, SQL, and Python too, plus some hands-on experience. Now imagine this. You're not just a data spreadsheet whiz with Excel, a database guru with SQL, and an automation ace with Python. You also know how to build business mobile applications using Power Apps. Suddenly, you're the complete package. With these skills, you're not only mastering data spreadsheets and databases, but you're also enabling businesses to collect data on the go using mobile business apps, web apps, and Power Pages from Microsoft Power Apps. Talk about standing out. Here's the kicker. Our 4-month live guided training plus internship program covers all of this and more. You get hands-on experience with real internship projects, making you job-ready and irresistible to employers. So why settle for just Power BI? Elevate your profile, master the full data stack, and make your dream job a reality. Join us and transform your career today.